Morning, Ron. I'm Joe Mindek from Park Bench Westfield, and I'm here with Ron Bansky from Allstate Insurance here in Westfield as well. And we're here to just talk a little bit about you, what you like about Westfield, a little bit about your business, and any other interests like heavy metal, which we'll get into. So thanks for having me. Appreciate you having me at the office here today. So, and the first time we met, if you remember, I certainly do, I'd come in with Dawn Mackey to talk about Adams Fest, and decided to have a mint outside of your office first, which got lodged in my throat, and I could not stop talking. So our first interaction conversation was me coughing across your desk.
It was nearly the Heimlich maneuver.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. So hopefully this goes a little bit smoother. So tell me, are you born and raised in Westfield, or did you move here? What's your background?
What actually brought me to Westfield was the opportunity to get an Allstate agency. Actually took over for an Allstate agent in Clark. December of '99 is when that took place. So I had heard of Westfield. Actually, my father worked for a woman who lived in Westfield, told me about the town, said it was a great place to take a look at, possibly for business and possibly to live.
Sure.
And so that led us to looking at, once I purchased that agency, trying to relocate it. And we opened up in basically January of 2000. We were over at the Central Square Mall.
Yeah.
My space is now Bocce over there.
Okay.
That's where we were originally. We were there for several years before moving to the Circle. Which is now soon to be Lions Road Brewing, which is a lot cooler than an insurance agency as a destination.
Not much cooler, but a little bit,
And now we've been in this building here for about 3 years. But we moved up here at the same time around December '99.
Yeah.
Great place. Don't regret at all that move. Raising the kids in town, got real involved. My wife got involved in the PTO. I coached soccer. We both got involved in a lot of different organizations, and it's just been a great place to live, great place to do business, and a great place to raise our kids.
That's great. And I see a lot of Philadelphia stuff here. So is that your?
That's not going to get me any new customers probably, but I'm a big Philadelphia sports fan. I grew up in South Jersey, so I do take a lot of abuse from the Yankees, Giants, Jets, and Mets fans around here. Yeah. But it is
okay.
It is what it is.
They're good fans. They're loyal fans, so that's okay. I'm a Jets fan, and I go to the stadium, and half the people are Patriots jerseys. So it's nice to have good fans, and Philly are one of the best. So tell me a little bit about the insurance, obviously Allstate agency, but a lot of people don't know, what does that encompass? Is it life insurance? Is it disability? Is it a little bit of everything? So tell me a little about the business and what you guys really focus on here.
Sure, we do a little bit of everything. Our key products that we talk to people about are auto insurance, home and life insurance, but we also work with a lot of small businesses. So it really does encompass a lot of different things. We do retirement planning, we do long-term care, we do voluntary benefits for small businesses. There are a lot of different things that we get involved in. And we really like to be kind of a one-stop shop for protection and planning needs for families. It's really one of the things I like about being an insurance agent is just the opportunity to help people with all their different needs. There really isn't anything that we can't help prepare and protect for here at the agency. And I enjoy meeting a lot of people and helping them with their different needs.
Yeah, it's great to know you do all the financial planning and everything else, because I think a lot of people typically thought, insurance, I go for one guy for my auto, one guy for home, but now it seems like everything's encompassed, so it makes it a lot easier. And even for us, I know, looking at like an umbrella policy, like a lot of people don't realize they should have that on top of their insurance, and it's not that much more to do. So
a lot of those things fit together. I always say to people that it's kind of boring to talk about, but your car insurance and your home insurance, those are really the foundation of your protection. You're kind of making sure the things that you've worked hard for can stay there, but then you have to think about your future too. We were talking about life insurance and long-term care and your retirement. Those are things you need to plan for as well. Those base policies are there, and they're very important, that protection, but then those also things for the future are probably even more important, even though sometimes difficult to talk about. But we try to build relationships where customers feel comfortable talking to us about all their insurance needs and their protection needs.
Yeah. And is there, insurance, like you said before, is a little boring, but I don't know. Everyone needs it, right? But is there things that, you stand out from one insurance agency to another? What do you do differently to get clients and take care of them? And what really makes Ron Bansky, Associates stand out?
One of the things we really try to do is we try to be involved as much as we can in the community. All of our agents here are local and experienced. That's a very important thing for me too, to have people here who can answer questions and give a real high quality level of service to our customers. But also, I think what's important about our agency is we're very involved in the town, in the community that we work in. We sponsor the Athlete of the Week on Tap into Westfield. We make donations to the Westfield Boosters. I'm involved in the Boosters myself. I'm a member of the board for the Chamber of Commerce. And various members of our staff are also very involved in the community. We have a second office location in Princeton Junction as well. Oh. Our staff, both here and there, are involved not only with our customers, but also in giving back to the community where we're located.
Which is important, yeah. And I just moved here just under 3 years ago, and I knew your name within the first couple of weeks. So it's Ron Bansky here. Everything, the Athlete of the Week is great to be sponsoring those local kids and athletes, and it's really good. So it really helps to be involved in the community, I think. And the boosters, I can't get into the boosters apparently. So maybe you could make my way in.
We'll put in a good word for
it. There's a cap on a volunteer organization. I'm like, wait, they're all volunteers.
They do,
I can't get into.
We'll see what we can do. I'll put in a good word.
So that'll be good. So outside of insurance and your day-to-day business, like I see a lot of. We talked about a little bit of heavy metal before, but you don't see too many insurance agencies who come in and see Megadeth and pictures with Alice Cooper and stuff. So talk a little bit about what you do outside the office and your likes.
My two vices, besides I'm a huge Philadelphia sports fan, which is, again, probably not going to win me a lot of fans, but I love going to concerts, and I like all kinds of different music. I love classic rock, I like country, but I also like heavy metal. So it helps me, I guess, get all my aggressions out in life or whatever. I love listening to music, all kinds of different music. And I love going to concerts.
That's great. Is there a Megadeth tattoo underneath the
shirt
anywhere or no?
I won't say that I have no tattoos, but I do not have any particular heavy metal tattoos.
Oh, great. And anything else? I know you said you like to go on the shore a lot, and what are you doing there? Surfing, fishing?
I love spending time on the beach with my family. Love going to Long Beach Island, spending time on the beach, going on a boat. Absolutely love spending time there.
Yeah, it's a great place. We go down there a lot too, so it's good. And now you have your family. Your son just is graduating college now.
One son just graduated, and the other son is a junior at Florida State. So my oldest son just graduated from the University of South Carolina, and we've got one more year with my younger son.
Oh, my kids
tuition payment
are heading that way. I got a few years till I start getting those payments. So are they going to get into the insurance business?
I'm not sure. I think both of them, my older son has an interest in marketing, and my younger son is interested in hospitality. So it may, at some point, that may change, but as of right now, I'll be here for the foreseeable future.
All right, great. Anything else you want to say to the people in Westfield that you might want to talk about?
I think I would just like to thank all the people in the town. I've really enjoyed living here, working here, and we've had such a great level of loyalty. People trusting us with their referrals, sending friends and family members to us, and we wouldn't have been able to grow without that. And so I really appreciate the support we've had from the town. It's been a great place to do business and a great place to live.
Yeah. Well, you've built a nice name for yourself. I've talked to people in town. I'm in the chamber and a couple other things, Rotary in town, and your name comes up a lot, and you've really done a nice job with helping out in the community. So that really that helps you shine in what you're doing. So
thanks. It's important to us. I think it's kind of a responsibility for you to have a business in town to be involved in the town, and it just makes a lot of sense.
Great. So Ron, thanks again for having me this morning. I really appreciate it. Again, I'm Joe Mindak from parkbench.com/Westfield. Check out the website. And if you want to get in touch with Ron, anything about insurance with Allstate, you can stop in. Or
just stop in anytime. We're at the corner of East Broad and Euclid. We'd love to talk to you.
Yeah, people see your building all the time, so you know where it is. So come in and see Ron. He's always here.
Sounds great. Thank you.